Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's tea is sweet, surprising, and soaked in love. So, grab your mug because we are talking about Big Brother Mzansi's golden couple, Thato and Gesh, who just welcomed their baby boy. Let's rewind real quick. Thato Immaculate Mtombeni and Brandon Mtombeni met during season 3 of Big Brother Mzansi. What started as a reality TV flirtation blossomed into a full-blown love story. They got married in 2022, bought their first home, and now they are officially parents. Now here is where it gets juicy. Thato kept her entire pregnancy under wraps. No bump pics, no cryptic captions, just vibes. And then, out of nowhere, she drops a heartfelt Instagram video revealing that she's now a mom to a baby boy. She said, and I quote, "Hi, I'm a mommy to the most handsome baby boy, and when I tell you it's been a journey and a half to get here, you know what? I'll just show you." She even shared how she started obsessing over food and recipes before realizing she was pregnant. I mean, that's relatable, right? This couple has been saving relationship goals since day one. From reality TV to real life romance, they've kept it classy, private, and powerful. And now, with their baby boy in the picture, they are stepping into a whole new chapter. Fans are obsessed. The timeline was flooded with love, emojis, and baby name guesses. And honestly, same, we love to see it. So here's to Thato and Gesh. May your home be filled with baby giggles, late night feasts, and endless love. And to the rest of us, let's keep rooting for love that starts in the most unexpected places, even under 24/7 surveillance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay nosy.